What's up, everybody? Matt from A to Z Diecast. I've had these for a little while, so I apologize for those of you who have it waiting, knowing I was going to get these. These are the brand new Johnny Lightning project in progress 82 Mustang GTs. These are version A. Version B, no, I have not found or purchased the White Lightning. Most likely I'll have to purchase it, but not paying the premium that it's asking for right now. Maybe I'll find something and trade somebody for it later. But, so together, you know I'm not a fan of the 4 eyes, but this is before, and that's after. My theory. The before project in progress, and then the after project in progress. So I would have said that should have been version A, and this should have been version B. So let's open these up. I do like the addition of the new rims from Johnny Lightning. They've been pretty standard. I mean, in my opinion, crappy rims. So we'll go in their order. Version A. Nice deal on the rims. Wouldn't mind them to be real riders, but they're not. T-tops. 4 eyes. 82 GT. Interior standard. Window not bad. What does that say? Corbett? Don't know what that is. If you know why it says Corbett on the back, let me know. This setup, the 82, reminds me of the T-Bird, like the Turbo Coupe. Anyone else? Leave a comment. Okay, so now let's go to version B, which looks like the project start with. Again, same casting. I do like it in the lighter shade up front because you could really see the. I'll compare in a minute. I like the different colored door. It's really a project. Primer hood, and it feels different. Like, this really feels matte finished. This is clear coated. I mean, that's cool. This feels totally different than this. Look like weld rims. They're pretty cool. Nice new addition to their line. This one says project. Duh, project. That's primered too. Look, it's got a hole in it. Oh no, that was paint. It was extra paint from somewhere. And at the bottom, again, would look nice with some rubber tires on it, but I do like the new addition. So let's check out and compare. Attention to detail. Check that out. Primered hood. No hood emblem. Finished hood. Hood emblem. It looks like it's missing, like it's got the holes of where it used to be. That's pretty cool. No wiper blades either. Still no wiper blades. Looks like reminded me of like the torque thrusts. So I do like the lighter front because you can really see the detail. I don't know. I think I might put those rims on here. Give it a little panaz. So what's this? This is Corbett. I'm not getting it. I don't know. Someone tell me. Well, that's that. Here's the version A, version B. I think this should be version A, version B, because this is the project. This is the finished product. My theory. I don't know. Who am I to tell them? This one rolls better, as you can see. Wow. Anyway, that's it for my video for these bad boys. Again, the brand new 2019 project in progress. Johnny Lightning Ford Mustang GT 1982 Ford Mustang GT. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Peace.